I don't know what part of the world you're watching this, but we're in Sacramento, California. This summer, we've had about 15 days over 100 degrees, which means it's important to stay hydrated. Now, when you think about hydration, you think about soft drinks, maybe some of the sports drinks, and water. The experiment that we're conducting right now is looking at the effect of soft drinks on our teeth. One is a lot of soft drinks are filled with lots of sugar, and that sugar feeds the bacteria that then produces acids. The second hit that our teeth take with soft drinks is that soft drinks can be very acidic. The lower the pH number, the more acidic it is. So if you look up your drink and it's a pH of 1, then that means it's a very strong acid. If it has a pH of 7, the way the scale works is that's like a neutral type of drink. So it's not very acidic, and that's actually better. That'd be more like water. But watch out, there's some waters that are acidic and have a pH of 4. But what we're doing is we have taken a tooth and we've placed it in just a Coke soft drink. Now Coke has acidity, and this is a Diet Coke, so it actually has sugar in there. And we're seeing over time what happens to the tooth. It's starting to turn brown. So the coloration from our Coke drink is soaking into the tooth. And that's partly because the outside of the tooth is beginning to soften up because of the acid. There isn't a lot of bacteria with this tooth because it's outside the mouth, but if it were in your mouth, we'd actually be feeding the bacteria with the sugar in the Coke, which could cause decay. And one of the things that's interesting about dentistry is although we make part of our living taking care of cavities, is we try to educate our patients on cavity prevention. So next time it's 100 degrees out there, or just hot in general, and you need something to drink to hydrate, think about water, preferably a water that is at a neutral pH. Or 2, if you're gonna have a sports drink or a soft drink, try to choose one that is neutral, doesn't have a lot of sugar. But I think overall, we're not saying don't enjoy the different drinks, but brush well and rinse out the sugar and the water, and you should be fine. Anyway, just drink smart. Let's stay hydrated.
There you go.